Ayan na, naka-purple dress.
Hello! Isa pa.
Oy, wait, kiss!
Diretso na daw tayo. Ano, hindi ba? Ang ganda naman ng dress. Di ko pa na-picturean yan. Talaga may pa-headband siya, oh. So much,
Group hug.
Group hug? Bakit si Dokla? Sali.
Hello beautiful people! Welcome to Celebrity Home. Nakakatuwa sina Katrina Halili, Chris Lawrence at Katie. Marami na naman ang kinilig sa kanilang mga tagahanga dahil muli silang magkakasama. Pagkatapos ng trabaho ni Chris sa Boracay, ay agad itong umuwi at ngayong araw nga ay muling nakabonding ang kanyang mag-ina. Ating panoorin ang kabuuan ng kanilang nakaka-good vibes at masayang ganap ngayong araw.
Mama, tama na po pictorial. I wanna change dress na.
Ang ganda naman ng yellow. Please, yan na lang muna.
Wala pa ako sinuot na violet dun eh.
Ay! You farted! Ano ba yan?
Oh, my loves, good morning. Samahan niyo kami today.
Okay na yellow?
I mean, gusto ko ito eh.
Pastin natin muna yung purple, okay?
Okay po.
Ayan, susunduin na namin si Katie. Ops, teka lang, mag-ano ka na dyan pala. Kakanan ka. Oh, ayan, di ba? Video pa more. Dito, kakanan ka dyan. Kakanan ka dyan, di ba?
Alam ko, dito sa ilog.
Ayan, video pa more. Mali-mali. Doon lang sa parang eskinita. Katie, tara!
Ayan na, naka-purple dress.
Hello! Isa pa.
Ay, sus, ba't naka-smile? Oy, wait, kiss!
Diretso na daw tayo. Ano, hindi ba?
Kaya. Oh, where are we going? Dito na dito.
Diretso siguro.
Alam mo?
Ata. Ang ganda naman ng dress. Di ko pa na-picturean yan. Talaga may pa-headband siya, oh. Saan ba yung back mo yan? Ano yung sakit sa'yo ngayon?
Wala po.
Ay, wala.
I think konti isa ba?
Konti sa back. Where?
Ay, gusto ko naman pa kayo na ngayon.
You need to tell Doc. Saan masakit? Konti. Ay, dito. Lower back.
Huwag dito kasi
Mama din eh. Sakit ng lower back kagabi, diba? Can you tell Doc? Sakit ng lower back ni Mama kagabi.
sakit ng lower back kagabi ni mama.
Pero ikaw masakit din?
Konti lang po.
Ay, Miss Katie.
Guys, you're back, huh? How are you? Nice. Hi.
Kami mag
May pahal siya pa.
Okay, so we do another Cairo adjustment, huh?
Ano yung masakit sa'yo, Katie? Lower
Back
back?
is hurting.
Konti lang daw po.
Okay, let me go on that side.
Ano mo? There, nagtata. Yan, there, kamay.
Okay, ready?
1, 4, 3.
Yeah. First, we'll do a little bit here. Actually, we can do it a different way. Yeah. Let's just do the lower right. Let's go this way. Face me on your side.
Face ka.
There you go.
Oops, here. Dito. Ay, dikit mo.
Side for side. Maybe scoot down. You're a bit high. Yeah.
Ay, Katie. Parang,
There you go.
gusto mo pa ba?
Ready?
Ano nangyari? Side lang, anak, side. Yan.
Yeah, this comes up. Good. Three. There you go. Okay, right here. Let's breathe in. And exhale. Exhale.
Exhale.
Okay, keep that straight.
Papa, kaya mo yan.
This comes up. Good. Good. Okay, let's go the other way.
You have to breathe. I breathed earlier. Yeah.
Okay, this is straight. Good. Closer. That's straight.
Inhale, Katie.
Okay, let's take a deep breath. Exhale. Good. Oh, now our body weight moves.
Inhale. Exhale.
Natantaba ko.
Exhale.
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Shorter and then the lumbar elbow.
Thank you so much,
You're
Doc.
welcome.
Can you hug me? Can you hug me?
Group hug.
Group hug? No. Group hug? Bakit si Doc la? Sali. Yan. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sarap.
Look at your mom when she's aside like that, huh?
Breathe. Exhale. Good. Okay, let's go face up.
Laway.
Good. Okay. Still to your back, huh? Back. Oh, good. Good.
Sige.
Don't be tense, baby.
Damay.
Okay. That's how we'll do.
Bring lower back.
Okay, lower back here, huh?
Katie.
Let's breathe and exhale. Good. There's one. Now we'll do here. Let's go towards me on your side. Okay, up. There we go. We're gonna put this here on the elbow. Great. Right here. Let's breathe and exhale.
Ooh.
Five in. Turn.
Mr. B.
Let's go. You just arrived?
I just arrived, yeah.
Last night?
I got back,
This is like a little stiff. A little bit. Okay. Let's just do this one. Okay, good. There's still one more here. Just relax the shoulder. There we go. That's better. There we go. Okay, you're ready. Good job.
Ang ganda naman ng dress. Hindi ko na picturean. Katie, diretso na tayo kay Doc Rob.
Diretso na?
Upo.
Yes.
Kala ko 1 p.m. pa rin.
Sure. That's the first we started the night. Because you went face up. Oh.
Kaya, ikaw yung nag-start mag-isa.
So that's. You just go out and take what you can get. Okay. Face up. Okay.
Ikaw naman pala.
Yeah, your hip is really off.
Lower back,
So let's go this way.
aging.
Usually I do this. Well, airplanes and different beds and all the work, all the stress, it accumulates. Good, relax. Okay, let's go the other. Okay. There. Okay, deep. Exhale. Good. Face up, face up. Face up, yeah. Just like that. So now much better. Yeah, earlier it's like shorter.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Short,
The hip is off, so the hips rotate, create a short. Yeah. Not that you're short.
Short legs.
Leg goes a little shorter, yeah.
short legs,
Okay,
yes.
tapos na. You're all set. We got the one down here too? Yeah.
Yay.
The lower? Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Katie, ba't ayaw mo kami gusto mo si Doc Rob lang?
I love you.
Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang? Ayaw mo ng group hug?
Eh, gusto ko si Doc Rob eh. Para, hindi ko kasi alam kung ilan na ngayon eh.
Ilang beses ka na nagpa-Cairo?
Nagpahag.
Ay, pinakount mo.